Welcome grade ones to our first reading lesson by video, and we are going to get started just like we do in the classroom, where we are going to practice sounds that we have already learned. Okay, so I know I can't hear you, but as I hold up the card, I want you to say the sound that the letter makes, and then I will say it afterwards. Okay, so I'll pause so you can go first. Ready? Ha for apple, you're right. T. B. J. G. D. K. Y. H. K. Itchy. V. F. Z. Aw, like the otter's nose. O. W. Udder. We're milking the cow. S and Z. Remember, that's two sounds. S and Z. Echo, yes. Qu. X. Very good. And now we're going to practice some of our leap words. So these are words you can't sound out, but we are memorizing what their sound is, right? Because they don't make the normal sound that we're used to. So if I said I have a dog, I don't say have a dog. I say I have a dog. So when A is by itself, we say a. Of, good work. And the last one, the, which leads into today. We are adding something brand new to our tile board, and it's called consonant teams. And consonants, remember, are the blue tiles. The reds are vowel and the blue are consonant. So we're going to start now putting two consonants together, and they have a new sound. So we're going to start today with T and H. So we're going to put it together, and it looks like this, in case you can't see. And the TH, and I'm going to move this just over here for our board because we're going to make a list of these. So now when you come back into the classroom, different weeks, we will add more consonant teams that make a new sound. So this has two sounds. It says the and the. 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 Okay? Now the first sound is what you hear a lot of the time. So we're always going to try that first sound. Can you do that? The second sound, the, is that sometimes it happens. So we always try the first one first, and then we will try the second one, okay? So I'm going to, with our tiles, build us a word with our new tile here, and we will sound it out together to see what our new word is, okay? So we have our TH together, okay? So we always try the first one, remember? F, the, them. Them is correct. So we have the, them is our first one. So if it makes sense, the first sound, we don't have to try the second sound. Let's do another word. We have our TH tile and our IS, okay? This, right? Let's turn that upside right. The, is, this, right? Okay? So, the, is wasn't a word, but when we did the second sound, the, is, this, right? Okay? Now, we're going to actually move our TH to the end of a word, and let's try this out. Bath. Bath is right. Okay, so we have a few different words. Now, to practice our sounds of TH, th and the, is in your package, you are going to have a bunch of over easy eggs. Maybe you like scrambled eggs, maybe you like hard boiled, but today are going to be over easy. And maybe you can ask your mom or your dad if you can borrow a spatula or a flipper that you're going to lay your eggs out, and can you flip them over? And on the back you will find a word, and then I want you to read the word. Okay, so your eggs are in your package, but you will have to ask if you can borrow a spatula or a flipper to put those over, okay, to practice those. And tomorrow you also have a practice sheet that you can continue to practice our sounds of TH. Remember? And the. Okay, so it's two-sided page that you can use this, that you can read through to practice those two sounds. Start with the first one, and then if that doesn't make a word, then use the or is the first one. Okay, so those will be in there. And when we come back next week in the classroom, don't worry, I will give you a sticker because this is lesson 18, okay? So you'll get the sticker. So have fun flipping over your eggs today and tomorrow reading your practice sheet.